About to switch the bait up, man, with some shrimp. We got the garlic scented shrimp right here. And some basic shrimp right here, man. We're gonna switch it up on these fish. I done threw a red shrimp on here.
Sure.
We about to go in with the red shrimp.
All right, y'all. This is the first time I'm casting my line out. I don't know how to do it in a good way. We're gonna figure it out. Put some protection on. Is it like a release?
You holding the pole the wrong way, number one.
Shit, nigga.
It goes the other way.
This way?
That way, yeah.
That's a failed mission. That didn't go right.
But hold it. No,
Oh,
no.
that didn't go right either, y'all.
Hold the fish line.
How the fuck you mean hold the?
Look, hold the line.
Oh, with the finger. Oh, damn.
That one's loose.
Hey, see, that tip works right there. There we go, baby. Woohoo!
Now, click it back.
I'm fishing, y'all. I'm fishing. I think I got a duck, though. That nigga all on my line.
You ain't got nothing. You just let it be.
I'm out on stick here. Where's that?
All right, you don't want no bobber anymore.
Yeah, I do.